family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have just a short, quick haul, and we'll get more into all of these fragrances from Avant Garde. Thank you so much, AI the Great, for having your hookup sale as always. I love it when you have your sale, and I was able to partake in it. And so I got some goodies. I got some samples. I did see some samples we talked about. I'm gonna get into more of the samples because I want to give you all like my full thoughts on things that I like and don't like, but I don't want to purchase the full bottle. But I did get a full bottle of a fragrance, and we'll get into it. But I wanted to show you all some of the goodies that I got from this sale. It's so cute. So I think this is like a makeup bag, which, like, I mean, who can't use a makeup bag? I feel like they're great organizers for any trip that you have. Maybe put your fragrance samples in. I love a good little makeup bag, so I'm glad I got that. But one of these sample kits that I purchased was New Notes. I have a bottle. Okay, I have one fragrance from the brand New Notes, and I wanted to get into this house more. You all have talked about, so I have Carmelo Vanilla, which I love, but some of you all have talked about the latte, the cherry. They have a new one that's going to come out with pistachio in it that I just talked about. So I'm excited. I want to get into this house more. So we're going to walk through this. I'm going to test these out, come back, give you all my full thoughts. But if you have New Notes, okay, in your life, I would love to know, what are your favorite fragrances from this house, okay? Because we're going to discover this. If you haven't heard of this house, we're going to discover it together. Again, I only have one from this house, which I do adore, but we're going to see if we need to add some more to the cart, okay? So I wanted to get that. So yes, I'm excited. We will get into that. Also, another house that we're going to get into more that I got a discovery set from is Gritty. Yes, okay. And AI the Great, she gave me some other recommendations, so I'm going to get some samples of those that she recommended to me as well and come with my thoughts. And one of them was Gritty, but we have You're So Vain, Beyond the Wall, Because I'm Free, interesting names, Kill the Lights, I know that's right, Turn them off. But no, we're going to get into this house more. There are a lot of beautiful fragrances from this house, and I wanted to learn more about it, right? But I'll get more samples, some of her recommendations, and we'll bring all of that to the channel, okay? I love that we also have more goodies. So we got Goldfield and Banks. And I don't even know, let's open this together, because this was one of like maybe a gift with purchase. Maybe I really did a good job this time and got some gifts with purchase. Okay, so yeah, we have some samples. So this is Pacific Rock Moss. I don't know if I'm gonna like a moss fragrance, but we got it. We're gonna discover it together. Sunset Hour, I've heard many great things about that one, so I'll probably enjoy that. Oh, Bohemian Lime. That's one that I think is unisex, and I've heard different thoughts on that. So thank you, Avant Garde, for, giving me some samples so me and my family, we can discover some more stuff together. So that's Goldfield and Banks. So you probably have some of those fragrances. So again, let me know your thoughts on them below. And then we have some other little goodies that they sent, and a thank you for purchasing, and some more samples. So yeah, we are sampled up, so we can discover a whole lot on this channel. Okay, so if you're interested in the ride, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. But one thing that I was so like, what about, was they have Mind Games, and this is Gambit, I believe. And this is a travel size. But I feel like this is more masculine. Oh, this is so weighted. Wow. I mean, I must have really did a good job in purchasing. This is, oh my goodness. I believe this is though more masculine maybe. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. Gambit. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna go to my man. This is definitely not a me thing. Yeah, this is definitely not me. This is definitely for the men folk. It gives me a good smelling rich man. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna have to gift that to him. But that's cool. And oh man, I wish they had one that not that I don't want to give my man this, but I wish they had one for me, because this is a good travel size. This is very weighted. I love that. Wow. Okay. And then last but certainly not least, one fragrance that I have been really on the hunt and searching for, and AI the Great also gave me some recommendations for this house, so I need to get more into it. But I got the Tamine, okay, Blue Heart. Now this has like a coconut note in this, and I've always wanted this fragrance, and so I thought, well, why not? Why not? This year is a why not. If I have it, why not? Now, if I don't have it, I know the why, because it's a not. Because you can't. Not right now. But no, financially, when I have, the ability to get some fragrances, it's going to be definitely a why not. But Blue Heart has been on the wish list for quite a while, and I'm glad I have this in my collection. I'm not going to open it because I really do want to experience and come back with my full thoughts if I like it or not. But yeah, I am excited that this was a purchase for me. Let me know though, what are some of your favorite fragrances that you have gotten on So Avant Garde? Okay, I felt like when I was going through the list, I wasn't well prepared until after I already hit send. So prepare the troops. And I do look at AI the Great's video when she has this, but sometimes they're not available. So I need a backup plan on her, recommendations, because everybody's getting them, right? So, but let me know some of the fragrances maybe that you have gotten from So Avant Garde that you have enjoyed or that you like, that you would recommend. I would love to know your thoughts so that I can be ready for the next sale. But that is what I got. And we have a Amber's Corner. And if you're interested, keep watching. But if not, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. That was a quick haul. Quick one, too. I hope you appreciate it. But if you want some further chit-chat, I'll see you in Amber's Corner. Bye, family. Bye. So, hi fam, couple of shows that I wanted to talk about and mention a movie recommendation. Okay, so I was on Hulu, mind my own business, and there is this movie, it's called Amber Alert. Okay, so if you don't know what well, everybody should know what Amber Alert is. It comes on your phone. When a child goes missing, all that. When I tell you that movie had me, like, it's such a suspenseful movie. It had me on the edge of my seat. It was one of these. Like you want to look, don't look. Like what's coming up next? I'm holding my pillow because that's what I can hold is my pillow. I know, but yeah. So I'm holding my pillow. I'm closing my eyes, opening my eyes. Like what's going to happen? It is so good. I would highly recommend. If you have Hulu, do yourself a favor and click on the app. And watch that movie Amber Alert. It was so good. Highly recommend. I've also on Hulu, and again, this might not be your thing. I don't know why I'm watching it, but I'm just gonna spill the tea. I have been watching Escaping Polygamy. I know. I know. But I don't know. I like those. I don't know about you. Like, I like those true crime. I even like to watch like different cult type of things because I'm so interested as to like mindset. Like, how do you get there? How do you get there? In polygamy. And so it's very interesting. Honey, I just feel like getting my, going in the all black. Come on, girl, get out of there. Let's go. Let's go. Like, I mean, I know they're like, oh, it's dangerous, but I'm just like, just fight the people. But maybe because you on their property, maybe they're able to get you there. I don't know. But it's been very interesting. So I don't know if that's a recommendation. I don't know if you're into that, but I have been watching that and I have found it very interesting. The mindset of, polygamy and the thoughts and trying to get out of that life and like what happens aftermath of somebody being in a cult, trying to get out of a cult and trying to live a different life and all of the experiences that they have. But if you're interested, I would highly recommend. Another one that I am so sad that I can't even recommend it to you all because I did not enjoy it. I'm sorry. But Squid Games 2. Highly disappointed. Yeah. I like it. I'm not going to spoil it just in case you didn't see it, but I didn't like it. It's not, in my opinion, better than the one. I felt like you left me at what? Kind of in no man's land. I wish you would have just finished out the series. Yeah, even though to me, I felt like maybe this one was more bloodier, if that's a thing, than one. Possibly. I don't know. I like it. Even though it had a new game in there. Cool. That was interesting. Yeah, and maybe because the anticipation of one being amazing in Squid Games and then two didn't live up to it, I was very disappointed. I don't know if anybody else saw it or was disappointed, but let me know your thoughts below. But I was really disappointed. I was not, I like Squid Games too. But what I am excited about is Bling is coming back. Mona's in it. So I'm excited to watch that, catch up with that. If you have some Netflix recommendations, let me know below. There is this other series called Missing. I believe that's what it's called. I heard that one, actually a guy mentioned that was actually one of the best series that he has watched in such a long time. So a recommendation sometimes from men makes me very interested, especially if someone that I know doesn't go with the thrills and chills of things. He's saying that it's the best, series he's seen in a long time. I'm like, okay, I got my eye out. So definitely that is pending on my list to watch. But I would love to know, what are you watching? Yeah, that's it. I was excited that I saw that they're doing a remake of the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. They're doing a remake of the movie. But girl, I gotta catch up on the controversy. What happened? Because my team members were like, no, they were not excited. And that there was some other things to that and some. Let me know below. I'm missing it. I see TikTok is about to be TikTok by, and that's happening, or maybe they're staying and pending the transaction of TikTok going away. I don't know. It's a whole bunch going on. But yeah, let me know. Like, if anybody knows the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs new movie, tea on that, let me know, because I gotta find out. I gotta to see what that's about. Okay. I got more tea to share, but I'm gonna put that in another Amber's Corner because I need to pop up the video and we need to talk about it a little bit more. Okay. We gonna come back. Okay. Let me know if you have any topics, things that you want me to have want my thoughts on, you want to chit chat about in these Amber Corners, let me know. I would love to do that because we're going to develop this, and this is going to be our relaxed time. You know, it's going to be our corner, even though it's Amber's corner, but it's going to be our corner too. So let me know anything that you want me to chit chat about down below, okay? And if I want to talk about it, we're going to talk about it, okay? Love, relationships, family, friends, job. I got a lot of thoughts. Well, that's all, fam. I will see you next time in Amber's Corner. All right? Bye.